Welcome to this tutorial on writing POM files in Maven. If you're new to programming or new to Maven, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the basics of what a POM file is and how to write one to manage your dependencies in Maven. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what a POM file is. POM stands for Project Object Model, and it's an XML file that defines a project's dependencies, build settings, and other configuration information. In Maven, the POM file is the heart of the project. Without a POM file, Maven wouldn't know what to do. Now let's dive into writing our own POM file. First, we need to know what information we want to include in our POM file. The most important piece of information is our project's dependencies. Dependencies are external libraries or frameworks that our project needs in order to run. Maven will automatically download and manage these dependencies for us, so we don't have to worry about manually downloading and including them in our project. To include a dependency in our POM file, we need to know the grouped, artifacted, and version of the dependency. You can find this information on the central Maven repository website or in the documentation for the dependency you want to use. Here's an example of how to include the JUnit dependency in our POM file. Let's break down what each line means. Dependencies and dependencies enclose a group of dependencies included in the POM file. Dependency and dependency enclose individual dependencies. Grouped specifies the group or organization that created the dependency. Artifacted specifies the name of the dependency. Version specifies the version of the dependency we want to use. Scope specifies the scope of the dependency. In this example, and that's it. That's how you write a POM file in Maven. Of course, there's a lot more you can do with a POM file, but this should give you an idea of how to get started. Thanks for watching and happy coding.